Hi, it's James here from Camping Travel Store, and I'm currently at the Ivinghoe Beacon in Ivinghoe, Buckinghamshire. I'm camping out with a mate for just tonight. He's in the van with the tarp set up there, but the views are absolutely stunning around here. My choice of accommodation for tonight is the Karsten 240 Carp Tent, which you can see here. This is quite a special one. This is in W1M material, so it's an acrylic material rather than a cotton canvas. And we've got the comfort awning on the front, so really nice and easy to set up. Small table there, chair. We've got the cob for cooking on later. We've got some burgers and some steaks for later, and water. And as we go in, you can see it's quite a nice easy setup. Another chair in there with my suitcase. Table there, it's one of the human comfort tables, that one. So I've got my battery on the bottom, going onto the inverter on the middle one, which allows me to power the lights and obviously my laptop. My human comfort bed with my 10cm sim. And then just coming round the corner here, we've got our cool box with another table which kind of hides the campsite toilet. So absolutely lovely, and as I say, stunning views. And again, the actual view from my site, from my pitch, is here. How lovely is that? Anyway, it's James here from Camping Travel Store. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, that always helps us, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Cheers now, bye.